gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro, known globally as the Red Magic Astra 2, delivers something that most tablets simply don't. From the moment you see it, you can tell it's unlike a typical tablet.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
These days, many brands call a bigger camera module a major upgrade, but that's hardly exciting. Red Magic took a completely different approach by fitting a desktop-inspired, transparent design into a compact 9.06-inch body. And that blue section isn't just there for decoration, it's a fully functional circulating cooling system that gives the tablet a genuine liquid cooling setup. Set it on a desk and you can actually watch the coolant slowly move, creating a futuristic effect that ordinary tablets just can't match. Honestly, the rear design alone is interesting enough to admire for quite a while. Turned it over, and the front keeps things clean and familiar. It features ultra-slim 4.9mm bezels on all four sides, along with a 90.1% screen-to-body ratio. There's nothing overly flashy here. It's simply the premium display experience you'd expect in this price category. One feature I really appreciate is the completely flat back panel. It sits perfectly steady on any surface, whether you're playing FPS titles, rhythm games, or rapidly tapping the screen during intense gameplay. It never rocks or wobbles, making it feel incredibly stable in every situation. Of course, impressive looks only matter if the gaming performance can back them up, so it was time for some real testing. I kicked things off with Crossfire, a game packed with longtime veteran players. During fast-paced team battles, the combination of the 185Hz refresh rate and the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor kept everything running smoothly. Even in the busiest moments, there were no unexpected frame drops or annoying stutters. It truly performs like a gaming powerhouse, responding instantly whenever an enemy appears. Next, I raised the graphics settings and jumped into an open-world game. The display produced rich, vibrant colors, every combat effect looked crisp, and movement along with attacks felt incredibly fluid. This is exactly where the OLED panel shows its strengths. After experiencing gameplay this smooth, I definitely won't be blaming the tablet if I miss a swipe or a control input in future matches. Even after extended gaming sessions, the tablet remained comfortable to hold without becoming uncomfortably hot. We've all experienced those compact tablets that start dropping frames and dimming the display after an hour or two of gaming, making your hands feel the heat. Thankfully, that's not the case here. This tablet handles long gaming sessions far better and delivers a much more consistent experience from start to finish. Right from the moment you start using it, the performance is fast, and more importantly, it stays consistent. Even after gaming continuously for 2 hours, the back of the tablet was only slightly warm. Frame rates stayed almost the same as when the device was cool, the screen brightness never dropped, and the overall experience remained unchanged. The reason is simple. It uses a triple-layer cooling solution that combines a liquid cooling system, liquid metal cooling, and a large VC heat dissipation plate. The internal hardware is built to handle heavy workloads, so you don't need to attach a bulky external cooling fan. Just pick it up and enjoy your games with confidence. Now that we've covered mobile gaming, it's time to try something even more impressive. Recently, PC game emulation has become a hot topic, so I decided to give it a test as well. And honestly, it's no longer just a cool gimmick. Running PC games on high-end mobile hardware has become a practical experience. The controls are also easier than you might expect. If setting everything up manually feels like too much work, simply open GameSpot, load a professional player's control layout, and you're ready to play. The learning curve is surprisingly small. You can relax on the couch while progressing through story missions, exploring large maps, and taking on enemies without any hassle. Sure, it won't completely replace a desktop gaming PC, but when you have the option to enjoy your games while lying comfortably instead of sitting at a desk, it's hard to complain. Another feature I really like is the dual USB Type-C ports. That means you can charge the tablet while plugging in wired headphones at the same time. Whether you want to prioritize longer battery life or unlock maximum performance, you have the flexibility to do both. It's no surprise that professional esports organizations like Qingju and KG use it, and it's also the official gaming device for 5 major esports tournaments. Its gaming credentials are about as serious as they get. But don't worry, that has absolutely nothing to do with my own gaming skills. There's another interesting feature that's worth mentioning, and it's one of the newest eye protection technologies. Everyone knows that excessive blue light can strain your eyes. This tablet uses a special light source designed to counteract blue light exposure, helping reduce eye fatigue and improve viewing comfort. That's also why the display may look a little unusual in certain situations. If you followed Red Magic products before, this won't surprise you. I've used their tablets in the past, so I already know their philosophy. They always like to pack in extra features and experiment with ideas that other brands don't even attempt. Sometimes it feels like they're going a little overboard, but one thing is certain, they're never boring. This tablet follows that same approach. In a market where so many tablets feel nearly identical, this is one of the few that genuinely stands out from the crowd. So, if you're shopping for a compact gaming tablet and you're tired of seeing the same designs over and over again, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro, or Red Magic Astra 2 globally, is definitely a device worth considering. And if my mom asks what I've been using, just remember, it's a learning tablet. You know, the one that neutralizes blue light. It really does neutralize blue light.